Don't plant tomatoes the old way if you want bigger harvests. I discovered a simple deep planting technique that completely changed my garden. By planting tomatoes 25 centimeters deep, the plants develop a massive underground root system that absorbs more water and nutrients naturally. The result is stronger plants, faster growth, and heavy clusters of juicy tomatoes. Tomatoes are unique because they can grow roots all along their buried stems. That's why deep planting works so effectively. The best time to plant is after the final frost, when the soil temperature reaches at least 15 degrees Celsius. This is when roots become highly active and begin absorbing nutrients efficiently. Start by digging a hole about 25 centimeters deep in loose, nutrient-rich soil. At the bottom of the hole, create a natural organic layer. Add a spoon of wood ash for potassium, some coffee grounds for slow nitrogen release, and finely chopped banana peels to support flowering and fruit production later in the season. Cover the fertilizer layer lightly with soil before placing the seedling inside. This protects the roots while still allowing nutrients to release gradually. Water the hole deeply, then place the tomato seedling slightly sideways instead of upright. Bury part of the stem under the soil because new roots will grow from the buried section. Fill the hole carefully and press the soil gently to remove air pockets around the roots. Water only at the base of the plant to keep the leaves dry and reduce disease risk. Within 60 to 80 days, these small green plants can turn into large, healthy tomato bushes covered with bright red fruit. Gardening is more than growing food. It's a peaceful way to care for life, connect with nature, and enjoy the simple beauty of every season. I hope your garden stays healthy, green, and full of delicious tomatoes all year long.